Okay. So now please give next heading. Now we will do reconciliation. Manual BRS process FF67. Manual BRS process FF67. Okay. Please write down the path. SAP menu accounting. SAP menu accounting. SAP menu accounting. After that, financial accounting. Financial accounting. After financial accounting, banks. After financial accounting, banks. After banks, incoming. After banks, incoming. And after incoming, bank statement. After incoming, bank statement. And at last, FF67, which is manual entry. FF67, which is manual entry. And you can see this import. This is for EBS. FF underscore 5. It is for electronic bank statement upload. And this is for electronic bank statement display. And suppose if there is any error in our manual bank statement or electronic bank statement, we can check and reprocess with this transaction, FEBA bank statement. But now let us focus on this one, FF67 manual entry. Okay, double click on that. Double click on that. Now please see the screen. You can write down also company code LS01, house bank, write down house bank SDF00, account ID SDFCA, statement number. Okay, manual statement it is, so we can give our own statement number. Let's suppose I am giving 5 5 24 24 0 24 5 24. Okay, today's date kind of I have given the statement date. Give a statement date today's date only, which is 24 May. Opening balance I am giving as 0. Closing balance. Now we should do this. Yeah, we should do the addition and subtraction of this one. My Excel is very poor. How can I do? You guys can help me.
All नहीं alt equal to करें.
Hmm?
Remove that. Remove.
Delete. Alt equal to.
नहीं equal to on. Now you do alt equal to.
Alt, then equal to,
Equal to. Yes.
and then
Yeah.
नहीं from the keyboard alt equal to.
alt equal to. I'm pressing. Nothing is happening. Alt equal to. Yeah. Sorry.
हाँ.
And then these all right.
Enter. Enter. Enter.
Okay. So this should be our positive balance, right?
12 lakhs 37. हाँ.
12
Positive.
lakhs 37,450. Okay. So in the closing balance, we should write down that opening balance 0. This is our closing balance. So let's come to SAP system, and here control V. This one I am giving the closing balance. Okay. Opening balance 0, closing balance this one. Posting date I will give today's date only. Okay. Posting date I will give today's date only. After that, okay, then just a moment. Enter first statement, enter, yeah, write down, enter two times, enter twice, enter two times. Now you can see we have
Mm-hmm.
come to this screen.
Transaction
Yeah, this
statements.
why this screen is coming, because we have done this configuration, define variants for manual bank statement. Referring to that, the screen
Uh-huh.
is coming like this. We have defined this transaction, value date, amount, bank transfer, bank reference, right?
Okay.
That is why it is coming like
Yes.
this. If we could have added one to more field, those field also would have come. We added cost center also. Okay. So now this is our, we have already prepared our statement, right? Like this.
Yes.
So what we can do, simply copy from our Excel, Control C and paste over here. You can write down, copy the data from Excel. What happened? Control C, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. क्या हो गया?
Hey, amount क्यों है?
These two columns got the correct values, but let me remove. I will do in column wise, otherwise it will, maybe it has taken wrongly the copy paste. Control Y, Control V, Control C. Column wise as well. Do copy paste.
Hmm.
Control C, Control V. Now Control V. Why it is not taking?
अयो नहीं आ रहा.
Because of minus maybe.
Copy only
Trying to
minus.
in this area. Press enter. Control
I
V.
think in Excel sheet those are not in number format.
What?
Confirmation.
Extra fields?
Alt,
We cannot copy?
alt, alt
नहीं नहीं
number format.
copy all minus at once. Try
Okay, okay.
करेंगे इसको.
First minus.
40 को ड्रा दिया
No, no,
करें.
no. Not taking.
Okay,
No,
step 4.
no
Alt
problem.
D.
Any option is there to copy all? You guys know?
एक बार नहीं नहीं go to that Excel number form. एक बार चेक पूरा नहीं एस्केप करो सिलेक्शन कॉपी का
Escape.
एस्केप क्लिक
Escape.
एस्केप.
Hmm.
हाँ ये अमाउंट कॉलम एक बार पूरा सेलेक्ट करो सी कॉलम.
पूरा सी column.
Okay.
राइट क्लिक
Okay.
फॉर्मेट सेल्स फॉर्मेट नीचे है देखो.
Format cells, yes. Click करूँ?
हाँ क्लिक
Okay.
जनरली नंबर क्लिक ऑन नंबर
Okay.
एंटर. हाँ ओके ओके
एंटर करूँ?
हाँ.
Enter.
ओके, अभी
Now
कहोगे?
you do try copy paste.
ओके, इसको डिलीट कर दूँ.
Hmm.
कंट्रोल V, नहीं लिया जी,
Yeah,
ये कॉपीड है।
it's
कोई
not
बात नहीं, कोई
coming.
बात नहीं, मैं
I
मैनुअली
think
करता
you
हूँ,
need to enter manually. हाँ.
मैनुअली कर लेता हूँ पूरा। Minus 40,000. Date should be in this format. Date should be in this
और
format. Date also color. Means I need to correct.
control ఇది. అది text to column. Text to column.
ఫిల్టర్ కదా
ఫిల్టర్ చెప్తాను అది చెయ్యి. ఆయన ఏమన్నాడు ఒకసారి అది
IDF అన్నది
Minus 40,000.
పీకే
Okay. Minus 45,000. Minus 45,000. Minus 67,000. Minus 67,000. Minus 50,000. Minus 39,200. 39,200. Then minus 34,650. Minus 34,650.
8 lakhs.
Then 8 lakhs. This one is different copy. But how do you date
Now
is
you will not be now अभी copy नहीं कर सकते because it is grayed out, right, the other columns.
8 lakhs में L002 है,
1.
L002 है, 8 lakhs में L002 है, इनकमिंग है।
एक एक सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप 10,000.
वन बाय वन हम देगा क्योंकि ये 8 कंट्रोल Z
कैसे
Z 10,000.
10,000 7 lakhs.
7 lakhs. Next one
1,000.
1,000. Next one
1,800. 1,800. 1,800.
next one
1,800. Next is 500.
LV04 does not exist. Okay, क्यों L004 only it is there. Okay, correct one. I am giving wrong date.
नहीं L004. We gave LB04.
But LV04 is actually not coming, right?
That is posting rule, but we are assigning in the transaction. अलग है ना दोनों.
That is
We have created transaction
because that
and
is
LB01 is a posting.
since it is not there transaction posting like in transaction we have defined L004 only because that is not there as posting rule, so we need to take this one only. Okay,
Hmm.
and bank reference is not required. L0, please correct.
That
This
is
is transaction only. We need
okay.
to select L004 and L0051. Okay,
Hmm.
and this one is 300, right? This one is
No,
500.
no, 500. 500.
500, and date I need to make it as okay. Now this one is done. Our statement, there is no that amount as okay. So this one is minus, right? Bank charges, it should be in minus, right? It is minus 500. Sorry. So I will correct my Excel. This is minus 500 because bank charges negative 500 minus 500. Okay. So now
Then opening balance will change.
opening one, why?
Opening one is 0.
Ah, sorry, closing balance.
Closing balance will changes. So now why it is there is difference? 1236 450, 1237 450. Let us tally with our Excel. 40,000, 45,000, 67,000, 50,000, 39 200, 54 650, 8 lakhs, 10,000, 7 lakhs, 1.
Correct only because initially what we have done 112 lakhs 37,450 enter करे थे हम लोग closing
Okay,
balance.
okay, but
Now
it
it
is
got
1236.
corrected to 112 lakhs 36,450.
कैसे?
बैंक का जो
Your voice, your voice breaking. क्या बोले?
बैंक का वैल्यू जो है this is the closing balance we entered in the previous step 12 lakh
Manually.
37,450 manually. एंड जो एंटर का वैल्यू दिखा रहा है वो करेक्ट है एज पर दिस स्टेटमेंट व्हाट वी एंटर्ड हियर
Okay.
वी
Alt
हैव कंसीडर्ड
component.
एस 500 ना अर्लियर
Yes, yes, yes.
यू
500 was this.
हाँ
That's was the reason. Yes. कैसे सम कैसे करने बोले थे?
ऑल्ट इक्वल टू
Alt
फ्रॉम
equal to
कीबोर्ड
enter
हाँ
Enter.
एंटर एंटर
1236 4 5
50
450 we entered. See, okay, we have entered this much only. Correct, but this much we have given in the previous step. Now
राइट
now again what we need to do, we need to go to
1 2
previous
3
step.
6
If we will go to previous step, maybe this data will be control Y.
we can save
It will not save.
Huh? No, it will
can't we
save.
save and go back and edit the closing
Yes,
balance
yes, yes, yes. We can save this one.
does not हाँ हाँ मैच नहीं हो रहा है
Match नहीं कर रहा है. But maybe after saving it, it will not allow. Then that is the thing. So it's better. Let me paste this amount here. Control Z is not
Check.
allowed. Control
ఐదొందలు ఇచ్చాను
Control C. Control V.
500 తీసేసి
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay. Let me
So,
go back.
yes it is यहाँ पे here only 36 450
36 450. 36 450. Enter. Okay. Amount. Same issue. So now again these all will come. But for now,
no date don't enter
huh?
format is different no again it will you need to override
Which amount format?
date
Don't tap on enter.
Correct. let me wait. I will do this one. I will go here.
Dot.
24 point copy copy control Y.
Direct copy.
Okay. Direct copy paste करना into control C control V. No, actually it's taken all previous also it has taken. Now I need to give all. No problem. Let me come back again. I will come. Okay. Control V. Done. And this one. Control C. Control V. Amount again. Bank reference. Control C. Control V. Business area. Control C. Control V. Profit center. Now same. This one is not allowing. Control V, not allowing. Okay. 40,000 minus
45,000
45,000 minus then
67,000 minus 67
minus 67. Okay. Next
minus 50,000
50,000 minus
39,200 minus
39
next
200. 1 minute. मामा कॉल कर रहे हैं आपको रखिए. हाँ कॉल पे रखिए करते हैं आपको 10 मिनट में करते हैं रखिए. हाँ 50,000 minus
39,200 minus
39,200
minus 34,650 minus 8 lakhs
8
plus
lakhs positive. Okay. Then
10,000
plus
7 lakhs
7 lakhs.
1,000
1,000.
1,000 1,800
1,800
minus 500
500.
and don't enter, give here L0004 last two line items, right?
Yes. L004 and L005.
005.
Correct. Now
Yes,
everything.
now it's
Now
matching.
balance is also correct. Okay. Bank reference also there. Now please write down. Copy the data from the see entered and
Seven.
blank both are now matching, right? Both are
Correct.
matching. And okay, so now please write down save 2 times. Save, click on save 2 times. Click on save 2 times. Statement save, list save. Again, statement list posted. Okay,
Save 2 times.
save 2 times, yes. But that should match. After matching, save 2 times.
Ah,
Now I will come to this. Now please give next heading post process failure transaction. Post process failure transaction. Post process failure transaction. Write down the path.
next,
If any
uh, I mean configuration, yeah.
No, posting. This is also posting only. Means if anything is failed during this manual bank statement, so that we will correct. Means
Acha, in this step only. In this step only.
correction is step. If there will not be any issue, it will show there is no issue. If there is any issue, we can rectify. It is means posting step only, means as a user step only. Okay, write down the path and
Heading, sorry, can I?
post process failure transaction. Post process failure transaction. Okay, you can write down same path
Mm-hmm.
as previous, and this is the T code. Write down the T code, very important. FEBA underscore bank underscore statement. FEBA underscore bank underscore statement. FEBA. Okay, this is the T code and this is the path as previous. You can write. Okay, double click on that. Now after giving double click, you can write down company code. Give our company code LS01,
Mm.
house bank SDF00, house bank SDF00, account ID SDFCA, account ID
Mm.
SDFCA, bank accounting statement, one online items, subledger accounting, again one online items, and business transaction code also one all line items. And then click on execute. Click on execute. What is this error actually? You have not defined in customizing a transaction interpretation. Okay, let's see. Can you see screen? See,
Yes.
all are posted, but there is error for one, right?
Ah, last two.
नहीं last इसमें 39,200 में error है. 39,200 में there is error, right?
Okay.
So this one post. So what is the error? First we need to see. Double click on error. Sorry, but you have not defined in customizing a transaction type for interpretation algorithm used 027. Can you, if you will see the screen, electronic bank statement, it is suggesting to do the configuration. That we cannot do. But now the question is, what is the question? Name of the transaction, unknown transaction. Means for other it is successfully posted, but for why it is not posted, right?
Uh,
Right. For other it has accepted. This 39,200 is negative only. 39,200.
39 to 100.
39,200 is and negative only, right?
Correct.
And it is TDS related. It is TDS related and
अच्छा, सेम नंबर दोनों को है इसलिए क्या?
maybe but दोनों फेल होना चाहिए था ना. एक तो एक्सेप्ट हो गया. 34,650 I think accepted. You see the screen. 34,650 accepted.
हाँ, correct.
But this one is failed. Same reference, yes. Reference is same. But this one, if I will come to log I will come. Log. Okay. Can you see the screen? This is the error
हाँ.
actually. What is the error? In how I am checking this error? I am selecting this line and I'm coming to this log. Okay. So please write down this error. Exchange rate difference account are incomplete for account 241. This is our outgoing, right? And this is also negative one, outgoing related, right? So
Hmm.
you can write down this error. Exchange rate difference account are incomplete for account 241001 currency INR. Okay. For this one, write down this error. For this one, we need to go to okay. Exchange rate difference account are incomplete for account 241001 currency INR. For this one, we need to do one configuration. Go to OB09. Go to OB09.
What is this error means actually?
Error means exchange rate difference. See, exchange rate difference. We have maintained right at a time of foreign currency valuation. Let's see
Hmm.
in OB09. So that exchange rate we need to define for this GL account. So that is actually missing. So please write down. Please first write down this one. Go to OB09. Go to OB09. Give give our chart of account LOCA. Give our chart of account LOCA. You guys remember this configuration we have done, right? At a time of
Yes.
foreign currency valuation, we have done this configuration. Same we need to do this since uh, we are doing this posting. Maybe any exchange rate related error is coming. Now you guys will ask why this is coming. We are doing this one in INR only, right?
Correct.
But we have maintained our USD also, right, as our second currency.
Huh, huh.
Company code currency is INR only. But since posting is happening in the like parallel accounting system, right? Posting is also happening. All document we can see in second currency only also, right? Company code currency
Mm-hmm.
also in second currency also we can
USD.
see. So that is the reason maybe in the back end there is some exchange rate differences coming. So for that
Okay.
we need to do this configuration. Okay. So for which GL account? Outgoing GL
Two
account
four
which is showing error, right?
241001.
Which is outgoing account only. So now
Hmm.
you can write down, select, this is our cash GL account, right? 24000. So you can write down,
Hmm.
two, select this two lakhs 40,000 for 10 currency and 60 currency and click on copy as button and click on copy as button and we will do for which account? Outgoing account 241001. Okay, enter again 24 for 10 currency and for 60 currency.
60 current.
Yeah, again, and you can write down, repeat the same configuration for all and for incoming also, bank transfer also, and main account also. You can write down, repeat the same configuration for incoming, main account, and bank transfer. Our main bank is 24100. Okay, 2,41,000 main, right?
Hmm.
Repeat the same for main bank GL, incoming, and bank transfer. I'm just doing copy paste. 1002, 1002, and now 1003, 24003. Okay, now click on save. Save in our TR. This maintain exchange rate differences is a part of configuration only. That's why we have saved in our TR only. Now again, let's come to FF67. Okay, again we need to run this one. Okay, come back to come out of this, or what we can try to post from here also, right? Because there is posting option, all items. Just a minute, I will explain. No problem.
Okay.
I will select this one and I will post. Difference again too large. Okay, maybe it is not allowing us to post from here. No problem. So yeah, then we need to go to FF67. FF67. Okay, let me refresh it. FF67 and same details I am giving. Okay, overview. I clicked on document overview. I selected this one. Okay, and then I will click on transfer. Transfer. Okay, and then save. Save. Now I will again come to process. Okay, like this. Just a minute. Maybe it is resolved or not. Let me see. Now it is posted. See. Okay. So this is the
Yes.
way. So what I did, you guys write down. What I did, I after doing this configuration change, this action did maintain. After maintaining, write down. Go to FF67.
Hmm.
Go to FF67, and then click on
Okay.
overview. Click on overview. Click on overview.
Okay.
Not just a minute. Take it exactly. Yeah, click on go to FF67. Give all details like same statement number, same statement date, same closing balance, opening balance, same posting date. After giving these parameters, then click on overview. After clicking on overview, select your line. Select. You can see the screen. Select your this Dilip LI01 company code line, and then click on transfer. Select your line and click on transfer. Select your line and then click on transfer. Again, we need to give statement number, statement date, opening balance, closing balance. Again, we need to give these details and then click on save. Click on save. Okay.
So why is this a transfer in the sense? What happened actually?
Transfer means again re-executing. There's nothing, just re-executing.
Hmm?
Re-execution is happening. Transfer means nothing. Kind of this for this statement, we are again uploading. Means again we are doing the manual BRS. This is the meaning of transfer. Since we this our this statement has one failed, right? One transaction
Hmm.
in the statement failed. That's why we are doing this transfer. That means again we are executing, re-executing. So which one is failed? We have done the configuration. Again we are re-executing. Okay. So this is the meaning of transfer. This one post. This is our already existing, right? In FAGL L03 or FBL3 and report, right? So our requirement was to do reconciliation. After that, main account should have got the balance, right?
Yes.
But I did not show you guys. So let me just show you quickly. That is the kind of proof only, right? Like integration done. And this main account was not having any balance before doing the manual BRS.
Electronic.
I will explain, but not today. I will explain maybe after completing the class. There are few other topics also, so that I need to explain few other things also, like validation substitution. This is also important. So with that, I will explain this also electronic bank statement. But all means two three configuration also need. So similarly, I will explain two more other topic also, which is important. Okay, which we should know because from in the interview they will ask. So those topics I have in my plan. So along with that, ABS I will tell. But two three configurations are only different. The rest of the main, these are the main only. But by format will come. So accordingly, we need to do the set configuration in the system. Okay, so now see, earlier this account, this is main account, I was giving filter with the same range, but this main account was not having any balance. But now you can see it has got the balance. You can remember the reference we had given, right? You please remember, this was not coming. Okay, and these all with reference, you remember, with all reference, it was coming in the open item. You remember outgoing, it all were coming in the open item. Now it is with the help of manual bank statement. Now outgoing GLs are cleared. If so, now I can tell you guys what is the journal entry. Let's suppose this is the open item journal entry, right? When vendor is paid. Now after manual BRS, this should be the journal entry, right? Means this outgoing GL is cleared with the main account. So let us see this example. This is clearing account. This is clearing account for this one. Okay, so now let us see this journal and clearing document. Now please see, this is main account only. See, 241000. Okay, and debit. This is our plan, right? This is only our requirement, right? You can compare. This is was the expectation is, and it is work. It is I mean successfully the reconciliation done. Means the our uh, in the manually we have done the reconciliation. Manually means we have requested a data from the bank people. Manually we have we put in the system. Actually I referred report. Okay, but manually, suppose if electronic BRS, generally 99% electronic BRS will happen, but let's suppose due to some reason electronic is not happening, then we can do manual also. We will get the bank statement from our from the our bank people. Like let's suppose Delhi finance business people will get the data from the real bank. What is the data they will collect, and they will do the manual bank, this one manual BRS they can do. So now you see, this is the journal entry which is correct only as per our plan. Now, okay, so you can see this is working absolutely fine only. And now, if you guys can see, there should be two journal entry, right? There should be two journal entry for interest. See, this was not clearing. This is interest account, interest received,
Bank.
and this is bank charges account. So you can see, so this was not clearing directly in the main account. It has come, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so if we will see this journal entry, so I did not do manual clearing. Automatically based on the configuration, it happened. Now let us compare with our plan. Bank interest received 50 credit, and debit is bank main account, which is correct only, right? So now with and same we can see the for the bank charges also. So this is bank charges, debit, main account credit. Okay, so means our EBS manual bank statement reconciliation